Hey everybody, I'm Jer. Welcome back to Stock Voyager. Okay, so yesterday I did a play-by-play on Twitter of me getting into um, Splash Beverage and SBEV. And so I had said I would possibly do a live video today. I'm not going to do live, but I am going to record me watching the stock, where I'm at right now, and show how I make money on it. Hopefully, make money on it. If not, then I don't. But so be it. I would rather, at least it's very transparent, and I can show you exactly what I do. Okay, so let's get started. I have. Let's go here. All right. I've already started tweeting about it. I tweeted my entry. We're going to go to no cam. All right. Good morning, watching SBEV Grill and Surge. Let it find support. This was about an hour ago. 54 minutes ago was my intuition was telling me SBEV. Not in anything yet 43 minutes ago. And then 28 minutes ago, SBEV in at 370. So that was at what time? 10:02. If we look here, 10:02, 370 right there. Okay, now I'm going to pull up. We're going to look at this on Webull. All right, so it's up to 383. I'm also going to watch on my phone where I'm trading, so I can kind of keep an eye on it here. So 384. That's up from 370. I still think it can go higher today. I'm not ready to get out. So far today, we've made about $171. Looks like 132 right now. About 2% increase, close to 3%, about a 2.7% increase so far. Might be being a little greedy here, but we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. Okay. 383. All right. Kind of a slow process. All right. So this is going to be boring video number 2, but maybe we can learn something together here. I don't think 383 is resistance. I think it's kind of accumulating there at 383. It might fall off of that a little bit more. Maybe back down to 375-ish, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. It's very slow. Why is it so slow today? It's slow today because a lot of people aren't in it. Because they don't know what's going on. Plus, you're going to have people getting out because it was up so high yesterday and they just want to shake it off and take their losses or whatever. All right, so the high today was 390, 391. That's pretty good, right? Okay. Shares outstanding, blah, blah, blah. Volume. Wow, well, that's not too bad. Well, it's very low compared to yesterday because I think yesterday we did like 50 million volume, probably much higher than that. I'll have to find that. We'll have to look at it. But I think yesterday we were at 50 million volume. And so you're going to have some of those people getting out saying, I'm going to take I'm going to take a loss, or hopefully maybe no, it wouldn't be taking profit. But you may be having people who got in at 370 or 364 because it went down to, what did it go down to? 360 at one point. They may be getting out. But I think most of this is people say, I'm going to take a loss and go ahead and get on out of here. And they do. And that's their thing. Let them do what they want to do. And we are going to sit here and we are going to watch. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I hope that you had a profitable day yesterday with me. Profitable green day. If you didn't, then I'm sorry that you did not. I guess I'm not sorry that you didn't. I mean, okay. 384, 384. All right, we're moving on up to the east side. I think that's how. Yeah, right. Is it west? It's east side, right? Moving on up to the east side. All right, 379. All right, come on here, come on. All right, 669. We're at 380. Okay. 380 right there. 380. I don't know that it's gone. I don't think that's resistance. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm not giving up on SBEV yet. We're not giving up on you yet. 380 yesterday would have been a great entry point. Watch it. If it had fallen down, wow. Could you imagine? And then it went up to what yesterday? What was the 450 from through? Wow. Let me tell you. All right, 377. Oh no. What's going to happen? Even if we lose some money here, it's a learning lesson. We're learning together. Okay, 373. What is so 373? That's not correct. 376. Okay, come on, big boy. All right, so we're just watching this. We are waiting it out. I just want to be able to show you. It's like I said, it's a longer video. I'm sure it's going to be a longer video, but that's okay. It's okay to have a little bit of a longer video to show you how exactly I play it, and maybe show you how I lose the money. Why did he lose so much money today? All right, let's see. Hopefully you haven't gotten annoyed with me yet. 374. 374. 373. Okay. $377? What? Okay. 374. We're back down to 374. Okay. You notice how, and I pointed this out yesterday, I think it's absolutely absurd that the last trade amount takes precedent over like this. Okay, so 100 shares trading takes precedence over 1,500 shares trading at 377. I think 377 is a good price to get in at still. But we'll see. We'll see what everybody else thinks. They may think it needs to go down to like 320 or something. Who knows? Who knows with these people? All right. Looks like Grill is going up a little bit too. That's good. Good for them. I was torn here between the three that I mentioned in that tweet. I was torn, but I still believe in SBEV going up, and so my gut was like, you better do SBEV again. So I'm here for Splash Beverage. Okay. All right. What else is happening in the market today? Let's take a looky. Here. All right. APM is up 31%. I think this is a drug. Yeah, FDA. I don't like doing pharmaceutical or drug FDA approval companies. I just don't. But that's just me. Okay. A bio company is up. Wow, they're trading at 25 cents. This BXRX is trading at 25 cents. They're a bio. I'm guessing a pharmacy company. Yeah, healthcare. Eh. Okay. 25 cents. That's really low. I wonder how close they are to being delisted. They probably already, if they're at 50 something cents, they probably already got a delisting notice. Yeah, that had to have been what happened with them. Let's look. Yeah, they had to have gotten a delisting notice by now. That was back in, they've been trading at 56 cents. They dropped off down. When did they get that delisting notice, I wonder? When was the last time they were above $1? Holy crap. Back in May. Whoa. Okay, that's not. Ooh. Woo! Wow. They've got to do something. They probably already have a plan to maybe do a. Oh, they're up 30%. That's a fun ride. Okay, so they probably already have a plan to do a reverse split, or they'll just let it delist, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Well, we won't because I'm not going to watch it. I'm not going to get in or anything, but it's just interesting. Okay, vertical aerospace. That one could be interesting. It's trading at 936. It looks like it was a. Yeah, I'm guessing it was a SPAC because it was trading at $10 straight across until looks like first part of December. Okay, 373. 371. It went up to 378 for a second there. I don't think this is going to fall much lower than that, but it might. We'll see. Yeah. This EVTL, they fell off like a lot. They went up. It's the same thing. This is how SPACs do their crap. I like SPACs for like a quick trade, but then it's almost always inevitable that they fall like a freaking rock not long after. Like, this is January 4th, it fell down to 701 from, well, oh wow, it went to 673 on December, in December. The end of December. Okay, so yeah, that's bad. But it looks like a tree catching ground, so that's pretty good, I guess. All right, we're back to 372. Make up your mind. Okay. 378. It's going between 372 and 378. I think we're still shaking off people who held overnight and said, oh, crap. I'm going to get out now and take my loss. Cool. Let them take their loss. 378. Where are we at right now? Let's look. Let's take a look at the old account. We're up about 1%. So about $40. I still think this has some juice in it, though. I still believe in it. Okay. $40. I guess we could just take that and be like, okay, I'm done. Bye. 373. All right, let's take a quick look over here again. 373. Okay. Dutch Chats, which was a little bit above 373 there. Dutch Chats, which was a Mr. Zach Morris play for a while. It looks like it's shooting up today. Up about 23%, 24%. about the same price as this actually. I mean, it's not the same percent, obviously, but same um, range. Datch is up at 370, or yeah, it's at 370, and this is at 377. Just a random thing. No connection there. SoFi is going up. It's going up on news about them becoming a bank. That's pretty exciting for them. Good. Come on, baby. 377. What else do we have going on today? Digital brands. Like I saw that this morning, but I was like, no, I'm not. I'm not getting in at. Well, they're buying a. What are they buying? They're acquiring Sundry. But I don't think it was up a lot. It was up. That says 24%. I don't know exactly what it was up to, but I saw it and I was like, I'm not. No, it was the front runner this morning. And I was like, I looked at the financials and everything. I'll do more DD on it, obviously, but I don't think that it's very promising looking at it. What is Sunrun? Sunrun looks like it's up about 12% today, but it's down about 6% for the week. And we're still sitting at 376. We're just waiting for it's like we're on a plane. We're just waiting to see what's going to happen. And we're hoping that we don't crash before we even take off. Okay, 373. Oh, I was looking at what Sunrun is. Let's get company info. They are a home solar, battery storage, and energy. Okay, energy service company. The company is engaged in design, development, installation, sale, ownership, and maintenance of residential solar energy systems in the United States. It also offers battery storage along with solar energy. That's pretty cool. That's cool because then you can, I'm guessing, store charge from the solar. I don't know. Okay, so we're at 372. 371. 370, which is where I got in at. Oh, it's kind of falling. I think this is just more people trying to get out because of they didn't get out yesterday. Maybe that 380 was a resistance. Let's see. 372, 373. $367. Hopefully someone is using this as a buying opportunity, but also hopefully someone is watching it to make sure that it finds support before they get in here. 372. I'm still in it. Still waiting. Patiently waiting. $370, which is where I got in at. I could take a chance here and go ahead and get out, but I'm not. I'm not going to do that. Okay, so 369. Save yourself, chair. Save yourself. All right. So 367. What's going to happen here? 365. No. No. Hmm. They may also just be trying to shake people off here and see if they can't scare people. We'll see what happens. $366. Come on. Let's show it that it has some support here. All right. $366. I'm hoping that enough people are holding it here that it doesn't lose its support. We'll see. We shall see. Just patiently waiting here. It is holding there. Oh, there it went. 362. Just not enough energy here. Not enough buying. But I still believe in the stock. I still believe in her. 360. Okay. 362. They also might be trying to drag it down so that it gets SLR. Or, yeah, no. Sorry, SS. Short sell restriction, SSR. Because if it goes down, which it did, it hit the 10% down, then that is all it needs to do to hit into SSR, short sell restriction. We'll see. I'm not panicking. I'm not super worried about it because I still, like I said, I believe in this company and in this stock. Even if I have to hold it longer than what I planned on, then it is probably worth it because I think that, like I've said before, I think that they should actually be trading closer to like $13 a share, in my opinion. Not financial advice. I'm not giving you the financial advice right now, but in my opinion, that's what I think. So, but it fell through that support, which is kind of cruddy. We'll see what happens. The other day it did this. I don't know if you've been watching this. It did it and went really like low. It went from 413 all the way down to like 293, 280, 283 at one point the other day. And it was like, what? Why did you do that to me? I wasn't in it. I hadn't held overnight, but, and I was waiting for it to find support. And then I did a video, I think I posted a video on it, but where I was like, okay, I'm not getting in today. I don't see it going up, and it didn't go up that day. I don't think. It went up a little bit. It went up back up to 325, 334, and then back down to 318. But yeah, that was at the end of the day, the very, very end of the day. I don't want to be waiting until the very end of the day today. Now then, you don't want to lose too much. I think it's probably going to find... What is this here? Where is this price? Does that say four? What does that say? $331. Probably will find support between 331 and probably 350. I think if it continues to fall. Good, I'm not really super worried about it. We're at 355, right? 353. This is okay. We're okay. We'll be fine. It's going to be okay. $352. Let's look and see what we have lost so far now. 350. Yeah, it'll probably get between that 340 and 350, I'm guessing. Holy moly! We lost $224. 354. Which is about 4.5%. I guess we shouldn't have been so greedy. I guess we should have gotten out earlier. Huh. Oh well. We will wait this out and see what happens. It may be a bad thing for us, though. We may lose a lot of money here. Excuse me. 352. Okay. Oh, mercy. Mercy, mercy. Dum bum 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 bum. Da da dum bum 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 bum. Do 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 do. Let's look at everything else. How everything else is going. Grill looks to be heading up from their bottom out down at 6107. 353. I'm not ready to call it quits yet. If nothing else, hopefully this is entertaining for somebody. If you like to see someone else lose money other than yourself. Okay. $356. $355. Be Big lost a lot of its mojo, it looks like. But like I said in the video the other day, I think it was to be expected. They just don't have the numbers, and there's so much debt there that. But it's good for quick day trades and for doing options on. So I guess and for shorting. 353. Do 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 do. All right, we're only down 185 right now. Only $185 down.
We're losing so much money right now. Why did you do this to us?
Okay, 356. That vertical aerospace. What are they up to? 925 right now? I don't remember what they were at earlier today. Well, it looks like they had been 352. We're going to see a lot of people just getting out because they're scared of it dropping down to what it dropped down to the other day. All right, there we are, 349. $353. I still think that it's going to find some support in between that 340 and 350 probably. It'd be nice if it finds support at 350, but I'm guessing it probably won't. It's going to be probably 345-ish. I should have held off a little bit longer, been a little more patient. I'm going to do a video later today on SOPA. I had done a lot of videos on SOPA before, but I want to do a video later today because apparently they, not an announcement, I wouldn't say it's an announcement, but they did a, well, maybe it was an announcement. We'll look at the SEC filing later, but they are doing an offering, which is strange to me because I was thinking that they couldn't do an offering because of being like so close to IPO, and I believe there's still a lockup period. I don't. Let me look at that. We're still watching this, obviously. We're still watching SBEV, but while you're watching your stock, you can also be looking at other things. You keep an eye, obviously, on where your stock is. You don't want to just like walk away from it and be like, whatever. If it loses money, it loses money. Fine, I'll just stick with it. Like you want to keep an eye on it, but you can be doing other things on your phone, or maybe you have a tablet or an extra laptop that you can be doing things on, and while you're watching. So that you're not just tied into one thing and you're making good use of your time. So if we go to looking at SOPA, it's been a while since I did that. What day was that I did that on? I'm just going through all of my DD reports here. It's good that I did these. Oh, there's Society Pass. Okay, where is it at? Did I do a DD report on them or did I just do a video? Maybe it finds support at 345? 347. Did it drop? It dropped to 345. It'll find support somewhere in here. I'm not too stressed about it. Okay, JER reports. Let's look. What the freaking A? No, no, no. Why is this not letting me? $346. Where is she? Okay. Backed. I feel like Backed was before. Yeah, I'm not seeing SOPA on here. Maybe I didn't do a DD. I should have done a DD report on it so I could go back to it. But um, yeah, I'll do a DD report on it later too because it looks like I didn't ever do one. And it's kind of important to have if I'm going to keep returning to it. But I believe they're still in their or not their IPO period, their lockup period, which I wouldn't think that they could do a offering during the lockup period, but apparently they can, which is kind of news and something to learn about here because I really didn't think that they could do a lock or they could do an offering during lockup period. But it looks like they're doing one. So they also like they're very iffy because they don't. I don't think they make a profit. It seems like they didn't make a profit. Now we're heading back up 354. So it looks like it found some support there, maybe. Yeah, it went down to 345 here and here. So maybe maybe that's where they're considering support and people are going to hop in now. We'll see what happens. I'm not out yet. I'm still in. I'm still in it. I'm not giving up on you, SBEV. Don't give up on me either. Okay. So, yeah, I think SOPA is just I think they were SOPA was the Chinese company that is a shell company for a company for soap. I see, maybe not. No, 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 no. What was that? Was not it. SOPA is actually a U.S. company. I'm looking it up here. Don't worry. I don't know if anybody's even going to watch this video. If you watch it, make sure you like and subscribe and so you can watch more boring videos of me just waiting around. Okay, so their market cap is 120 million. Where are their financials? Okay, let's look at their financials here. So, yeah. Okay, so they did this last quarter they did revenue of 83,000, but they lost 8 million. In June they did revenue of the quarter ending June they did revenue of 7,000 and lost 4 million. The quarter ending March they did 9,000 and lost 2.76 million. Yeah, so their losses are just insane for such little revenue. Google shows their net profit margin is negative 10,000%, and they're going to do an offering. Okay, cool. Enjoy that, I guess. Thanks for taking advantage of investors and traders. But, I mean, traders kind of take advantage of stocks too, I guess. But still, thanks for taking advantage of the stock market. I think that it should be. I know that now we know it's not, but it should be illegal for uh, companies. Well, not illegal. What? It should be against SEC rules to do an offering whenever your executives and 5% owners are in a lockup. That's just taking advantage. We'll look at the I'll do like I said, I'll do a video later and we'll look at um we'll look at uh the offering, the SEC filing and see what it's all about, but you just did an IPO, so you should have funds for everything you need. Why are you needing to do an offering now other than to take advantage of people who are in your stock, which is ridiculous? But we'll look. Maybe it's something else. We'll find out. I hope you have coffee, by the way. Coffee is so good. We love coffee here. Okay. What are we at? What are we doing as far as Volume's at 3 million, which is nothing compared to yesterday.
Where's everybody at? Get everybody back in here.
All right. Thankfully, no one's going to watch this video, so they won't hear me being a goober. Okay. Blue Apron is up 18% on what news? Blue Apron, shocker. Citron says shares could quadruple. Peloton may be an acquirer. What? Price target set at four. Whoa! Holy cow! $40. Yeah, I'll do a video on this as well. That's insane. Peloton. Huh. Peloton owning Blue Apron would be crazy. Market cap of 212 million. Yeah, we'll do a DD video on Blue Apron as well. $40. Whoa. All right, we're back up to 356 here. Let me make a note to do a video of this and of. We're gonna have so many. You guys are gonna be like, why is he doing so many videos? Make him stop. All right, so we already have Society Pass, 354. Already have Society Pass. We're going to do Blue Apron, DD video. And I'll add Blue Apron to my watch list. This video would probably be better done live. I just don't have enough subscribers yet to make it, I hate to say it, to make it interesting enough to do one. Meanwhile, Peloton is like going down, down, down. Let me. Well, yeah, we're adding Blue Apron. They're up 20%, right? 22% right now. That one I did not see coming. $351 now. For the month, Blue Apron is up about 19%. But they were up to 12.18, and right now they're at 9. $347. $348. All right, this is going to be so boring. $346. I don't think it's going to end up going back down to here. Like, that would be insane. $288. Yeah, I don't think it'll end up back down here. But I'm not counting out 325-ish. Right in here. We'll see. I still think support's going to be in between 340 and 350, and then it'll kind of gradually work its way up from there. $347. This video will be the longest video ever. 346. I also think this is just a fake out. I don't think it's a. $347. But I'm looking at Blue Apron and saying, oh, I wish I was in there now. No FOMO. No FOMO. Okay. 348. BTCS is down 13%. For obvious reasons, in my opinion. Because they are the one that, okay, they're doing that Bitcoin dividend, but like they're also running an offering at the same time to raise money and at the market offering. So I did a video on it. I just think it's insane to even consider getting into that stock right now. And then they don't make, revenue was crap and profit was definitely crap. Right now, at least, I don't. 341. Come on, baby. 342. 340. This is insane. 340. 343. I may have gotten in too early. Well, I did definitely get in too early. But this happens, and I want to show this because I want you to see it and know. Not every day is a winning day. We know that now. I mean, well, we've known that. All right, so Grill looks like it went ahead and went up, which kind of sucks because it was my alternative choice, but that's okay. That's okay. That is okay. 340. I don't think it's going to go down to 325. I don't think it'll go that low. I think it's going to find support and then, maybe I'm wrong, but I think it's going to find support and then bounce off that. But we're doing this video so you can see play by the minute. This is, so another thing is I don't want to do lives because, well, kind of like this. I don't want, like, it's just not, like, lives to me are meant to be like streaming video games. This is not like a video game. This is boring. I mean, it's exciting whenever it's going up, but it's just boring waiting for it to get to that place to find support and then work its way back up. So it's not exactly fun, but it's part of the job, part of the, if you want to make money, you have to be able to manage this and do this. And yeah, it's all a part of it. $3.46. Is this where it finds support? Tune in tomorrow to find out. Same bat time, same bat place. 349. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Ba-bum ba-bum. The Candy Man can, 'cause he mixes it with love and makes the world feel good. 346. All right, come on. Come on, boy. Get up. Boring. 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 Okay. Da 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 da. Da 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 do. Do 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 do. The Candy Man. The Candy Man. Da 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 down. Makes the world feel good. Da 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 da. 346. Is this the support we were looking for? I think it was. I think it was the support we were looking for. Ooh, 345 again. No. No, 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 no. Those shorts are wanting it to take it down. We can't let it go down. 346. Come on. Come on, boy. 346, 346, 346, 346, 346, 346. I wish I had waited and been more patient. Because then I could have gotten in at 346 into this 370. Dum ba dum ba dum bum. Do 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 do. I still think it'll go above. I don't know though. I think this stock is worth way more than this, but I don't know that it's going to go back above what I got in at. We may have missed our chance. Apron is down to 878 from that 9. I think that some people are. Oh, 342. Yikes. I think some people are missing the point about SBEV and understanding that the great thing isn't these just random small orders or 300 stores or whatever, like that's great, but that's not the point. The point is the Anheuser-Busch um, distribution agreement. That's the point. So I still would not hold this stock overnight, and they are still 200% up for the month. So if you got in like way back here at like $1 when they were $1, they're even $1.80 just like a week ago, January 11th or 12th or 13th, then you're up what 190. Well, I don't know that you're up that much. Let me look. You're up a lot. So, yeah. So you've done good. And if I had gone in at that point, I'd probably be getting out at 4.2 just because that's a big increase. Surge is dripping a little bit. Grill is staying right below being in the positive. 342. This digital brands, I don't think that was great enough news for anything. I don't know the terms of the deal, but they spiked up and then fell right the heck off. Waiter is up again today. I don't know on what news, but they're up. But they're just like the other one that uh, stands to be get it. Well, they stand to be delisted. They stand to get a notice within like the next like 4 or 5 trading days. So that's pretty crazy. They would need to go up above $1 to get out of that, and I don't. That could happen, I guess, but I don't see that happening. They're at 63 cents right now, 62 cents right now. They would need to have a 50% increase in share price within the next couple of days to not get that delisting notice. $3.40, $3.42. All right, so sitting at 340. What have we lost today? Because like I said, not every day is a winning day, and if anybody tells you that they're winning every day, they're lying. That's not they can't be winning every single day. I don't believe that for a minute. So, and a lot of times, especially pumpers will just share when they do great because they want you to believe that they do nothing but great, and that's not always the case. All right, so we are down
What the heck?
$383 right now. I'll tell you what, that's about almost 8% down. I don't want to get out now though, and this is kind of a problem. This is something I've got to break myself up. I don't want to get out now though because I think that it's kind of hit its bottom and it'll work its way up from here, but I might be wrong. $383.
That's almost enough to buy a PlayStation 5.
All right. But I'll tell you what. If it gets to be much lower than this, then I'm going to go ahead and just cut my losses. But let's see if it finds support here in the next little bit.
Give it time. Let's see what happens.
Okay, 383.
We're down $376.
That's almost what I gained yesterday, so I would be cutting even.
But I don't want to cut even. I want to make a little bit of money for the week. But we can't always make money. Sometimes we lose a little bit too.
But I should have done better risk control. All right, so we're at 340. 340. I probably would have been able to keep people watching this longer if it was a live video. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right or what? But I don't know. Do 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 do. Boop do do do. Ba ba da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba do. Do 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 do. 341. 341. $341. It looks like it's kind of getting a support there, though. What do we say? Do we agree or do we disagree? We might disagree. Do 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 do. I wouldn't call this support just yet. We'll find out. Da 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 bum 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 do 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 do. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look here at. We're gonna go back here. See how long. 1 hour. So this is about how long we recorded the other day. We're still watching this. Oh, let's take a little break, stretch a little bit, itch our nose some. Okay, let me look at this. I just wanted to see how long we had been recording. We are currently at the 1 hour mark. Can you hold on much longer? All right, let's see. It looks like it's holding steady there at 340. We will go back to it right now. Back to our original programming. All right, let me do 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 do. Bum 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 bum. Do 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 do. Bum 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 bum. 340. All right, so we're still at 340. We're gonna find out if this is finding support or not. This video is going much longer than I had planned. On Twitter, it says, this tweet says, I do not care how bad the relationship is. I am not calling a radio station for advice. Do people still call radio stations? That's funny though. Okay. $341. I'm still believing in this stock, you guys. I just think we've got to find some support, and then we can get the band back together again, and then we can sing our songs, do our little dances. Oh my God, we've just about lost $400. That is insane. I don't want to lose no more money. Stop losing the money. Keep the money where it is. Keep it where it belongs. All right. 341. Come on, baby. You got it in you to come back up. Come back up, boy. Come back up. All right. Oh, man. Oh. It means I'm going to have to work that much harder. To make a little money this week. $341. 340. Why is this just taking forever? Maybe this is support. I kind of want to make some coffee. Would you guys care if I go make some coffee? If anybody's even watching this after 345, oh, just whenever I want to go get some coffee, it starts to make some noise. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. 342. $3.44. Let's get in the mojo. Bum, 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 What are we down right now? We're down $339. Oh, $330. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Dun, 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 dun. All right. All right, so we're down $343 right now. All right, we're sitting at 343. Ah, 342. Come on. Come on. You can do this. You can do this. Come on. Let's get some people in here. Get the gang back together. Let's make some music. 340 again. Ugh. Oh. Mercy. Mercy, mercy, mercy. 340. No. No. There she goes. Freaking A. All right. We need to. This is insane. I am going to go ahead. I hate this, but I don't want to continue to lose money here. And I saw where it went the other day, and it was not good. So we are going to cut our losses right now. I hate this. I really do. But sell to close. All right. That sucks. That sucks. But we didn't lose everything. We only lost total we lost $454 today. What the heck? Why did that happen? But we win some, we lose some. You can make it back tomorrow. Or over the next week. But hey, at least you get to see that not every day is a winning day. We don't all win every single day. Sometimes we make mistakes, but I probably should have cut this back at probably should have cut it back at 380. It's a learning lesson. We learn together. So that is all I got for this video. I'm going to go cry myself to sleep, but I'm going to make coffee first because I want some more coffee. But yeah, sucks to be me. All right. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe and like this video. And let me see here. And yeah, I hope that even though I didn't, that you have a profitable green day. Enjoy it. I will see you all very soon. I'm going to do those other videos today as well, here in a little bit, once I wipe these tears out of my eyes. Okay. I love you all so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye. Mwah.